you very much, sir.
Well, due to the fantastic work of NHS staff in over 1,500 vaccination centres, such as this bus here in Greenwich, we have jabbed over 12 million of people in the population who are at greatest risk from COVID-19. But from tomorrow we're going into the next group, so that's the 65 to 69-year-olds and the clinically vulnerable in society. We'll be contacting them and I urge everybody, when you do get that letter, then come forward, don't hesitate, get your jab. Well, we've been working with local communities, such as here in Greenwich, where we have this vaccination bus with faith groups, with local community leaders, to encourage everybody to come forward. Over 4 in 5 people that we've asked have already been jabbed, but I'd personally say, don't hesitate at all. These vaccines are safe, they're effective against COVID, they'll protect you, they'll protect your loved ones, and of course they'll help get society back to normal again. So of course we're dependent upon supplies, but they're coming through as manufacturers ramp up their capacity. We've been vaccinating according to the priority groups set by independent experts. We have vaccinated now over 4 out of 5 of the over 70s of care home residents, care home staff and healthcare workers. So that means we're now able to get into the next group, so that's the 65 to 69-year-olds and those in the population who are determined to be clinically vulnerable. As the government has said, we want to get through everybody in society who's eligible for a vaccine by the summer, but in the next few weeks we'll be focusing on the 65 to 69-year-olds. They'll be called in from tomorrow, and the clinically vulnerable in society as determined by independent clinical experts. As quickly as we can get vaccines from the manufacturers, our job in the NHS is to get those jabs into people's arms, and that's exactly what we've been doing at vaccination centres such as this bus here in Greenwich. We'll be living with coronavirus for some time to come. We've already got over 18,000 people still in our hospitals with the consequences of COVID, so it's really important at the moment that everybody is complying with those social distancing measures. Vaccinations will help, and of course as we vaccinate more and more people, that means the government can certainly begin to look at how those restrictions might be lifted. But our focus in the NHS is to ensure we get as many jabs into people's arms as quickly as possible. So when you get the call, don't hesitate, come forward, get your jab.